Okay guys, I back at it again. Yeah, so this morning is to see if I can attempt to put up those roofing sheets now. I just brought all the rest of my roofing sheets on site, brought the ladder, brought my tools. Yeah, obviously I can't do it alone, so last week I invited two guys here, they couldn't make it. This week I invite them again. Let's hope that they can make it this time, to see if we can put up those roofing sheets. As you can see, the last time I put up my purlins. Yeah, so I have a few more purlins to put. I have those end fascia boards to put on this end and on this, on the all four ends. You know, I have to think of something interesting on for this side. Yeah. Yep. And we're good to go. So right now it's just to wait. This is what we have going on here.
Okay, so this is actually the next day, and the day before only one guy showed up, so it was impossible for us to put up the roofing sheets. We only managed to put up the purlins, and of course it was difficult for me to do any recording because I had to assist all the way through. Now I'm just showing you guys the progress just before I get into doing a little neating up in this place, and hopefully next week we can get into putting up the roofing sheets.
This seems really dark. My lines stay up there. What's going on, boy? Yeah, we? Okay, so, yeah, I just gonna do a little knitting up there. A little cleaning up. So all the fascia board is up. All the rest of the purlin, well, I still have to put another purlin here. I don't know, so I'm gonna have to use pieces. I'm gonna put pieces of purlin right there because this gap here is a little too wide. Yeah, so I'll get there. Fascia board is up, which is the most critical part, and right now is just to put up the roofing sheets.
Hoping by next week my both helpers are there.
Guard all these pieces of wood because the wind is blowing all the sawdust.
Check out how on top look in the meantime.
The big space I'm talking about here.
Basically just going to place it along this end blocking board here.
All the purlins are 2 feet apart, by the way. Yeah, knitting up the place.
About to put up the last purlin. Can't record, sorry.
Interesting weather we're having. I just saw a little mini tornado on top of the sea. Disappear now. Oh, look at the moon, man. I wish my phone was better. Check out my guava tree, man. Small guava tree. This is a mess, but it's loaded with guavas. The only thing is, They all not ripen at the same time, so I can get a portion to make juice. But you know, you ripen one by one. This is like partially ripe. Let's see that. There's another one here. This is also like, it's edible. I will take this one. Not sure if there are any more. This one can be eaten as well, but I'll leave it. Let's see if there are any more. But we have quite a lot of young green guavas on this guava tree. Quite a lot, man. Quite a lot. Are there any more? Show yourself. See, that can be eaten, you know, but I'll leave it. Yeah, let's see if I can get a portion there eventually, so I can make a juice out of it. But it's a sweet guava, so I can need a lot to make a juice actually. Let's see how that tastes anyway. You're inside of that pink. It's pink, that means it's ripe. And the skin is a little soft and not so hard. And it's sweet. Yeah. My garden is a mess. I have this big hibiscus tree there. It needs to prune. I have this cherry tree, which is a mess because it's behind a lot of cherries, but the cherries are not edible. Look at that. Look at the cherry, huh? It's just a miserable. How is it showing? It's just a miserable looking cherry. That cherry used to give me so much nice cherries. Has a lot of cherries. This one looks juicy. But now it gets some form of disease. If any one of you guys know how to deal with this, look, I made 3 beds down there. 1, 2, 3. Got a Haitian to make them. Haven't had much time to weed it and so on, but the rain that passed, when the rain came a few weeks ago, it damaged most of what I put in the ground. I had several tomato trees, they all died. The only thing that really survived from all what I planted was this row, which is a row of sorrel. So for the Christmas I'll get some sorrel juice. This also was a bed of cucumbers. Just so happened that I had to plant it the day before the rain came. The rain came the next day and killed them all. So I only remain 2 cucumbers there out of about 10 cucumbers, and there's a tomato tree all the way over there. There was a okra there as well, which got damaged by the rain. And see that? So this is my sorrel trees. I have a tomato up there. This is a tomato. This is a tomato. This is a passion fruit, and this is a passion fruit. Oh man. Okay, so we back to regular programming. One of those guys still didn't show up, but so I had to end up calling. But we actually need 4 guys for the job, so I had to end up calling a few more guys. Yeah, so well, I called 2 other guys, which helped to bring the galvanize up, and here's the progress. We're almost done actually. Okay, so this is Pastor Desmond, by the way. Some of you all have met him already. Great contractor and builder. Basically, we are both up while 2 other guys are passing the roofing sheets to us while we screw them on.